Hey makers, welcome to another week of distance learning. So check the agenda right over there to figure out what you should be doing this week. Remember, you have all week to get this done. So do a little bit each day. That's what I would suggest. Now, why am I wearing gloves? What's this? This is what I'm building this week. This is a new coffee table and I'm just about to add some finish to it.
What are you doing? Go play video games. Go clean your room.
All right, everyone, it's folding week. Let's get folding. Now I've decided to use printer paper for my paper airplanes, but you can use any paper you find around the house, old school assignments, bills, newspaper, whatever you got. Now when you're folding, make sure that your edges are nice and crisp and all your corners line up. The more consistent you are with both the paper and the neatness with the folding is going to make them fly better and is going to make them easier to test. So really take your time. Make these as neat as possible. Now each day this week, you're going to choose one paper airplane to fold from the slideshow. So that means at the end of the week, you're going to end up with 5 different paper airplanes. The only paper airplane you can't choose is this basic design right here, the slide that I put in the slideshow, because, you know, this is boring. We know how to do this. Now you overachievers, I know what you're thinking. Can we make more? Can we make them all? Yes, you can always make more, but you're gonna need 5 for testing. All right, you guys, have a fun week, and I miss you all.